Adding custom codes. Click Custom Codes in the menu to go to the page where you can create, edit, track, or delete your QR codes. The individual dashboard works the same way. If you have more than one branch, choose the branch you want to create QR codes for from the drop-down menu. Now you can add your custom QR codes here. Click the Add More Custom Codes button. A pop-up will let you choose how many codes you want to add. The default is set to 20. I have changed this to 5. Now click OK. The Custom Codes page now has 5 QR codes on it. You can change these anytime to point to any destination you like. To edit a QR code, click the Edit link. Here you can enter details about the QR code. In the property address box, add any description that helps you quickly know what the link is for. In the Redirect to Link box, type the web address you want the QR code to open. Choose the right branch here depending on which one you're working on, then click Save. Now you'll be back on the Custom Codes page. Here you can see the QR code you just edited with your details. If you go back to edit it and scan it with your phone, it will take you to the Pineapple Estates home page. You can edit and re-edit your QR codes as often as you want. The redirection is immediate.